For my sweet friends, today's recipe is Asian style duck curry. So once again, welcome to my channel. I am using 4 duck eggs from here. Boiling 4 cup of water in high heat. After boiling occurs, then I will add the eggs. For the preparation of gravy, first I am going to use 2 tablespoon oil or 50 ml oil. Any oil you can use. Next, 1 cup of onion slice, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon sugar, and of course salt and pepper. Next, these are the curry powders I am going to use. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, chili or paprika powder half teaspoon. This is called coriander powder. You can find it in any store. I am using 1 teaspoon here. And next, cumin powder. This is also available in any store. Okay, next I will add some tomato slice. 2 or 3 tomato slice you can use, and at the end green chilies, and also a slice of a lemon juice. And for garnishing, I am going to use lemon balm and spring onion. Believe me, these will add extra flavor to the curry. Instead, you can use cilantro or parsley. Let's start cooking. Within 10 minutes, water start boiling. Now I am going to add the one by one duck eggs. For proper boiling, I will wait 6 to 8 minutes. In this cold water, I will put the egg so that the skin will come out very easily. We'll wait it to cool down first. I hope the boiling is done. So I am taking one by one this hot egg into this icy water to cool it very quickly, and the skin will come out easily. In the meantime, I am going to prepare the gravy. First oil, medium high heat I am using. I will not wait for the onion to change the color. I will just soften it and I start adding all the curry powders and ginger garlic paste. So after 5 minutes, now I am going to add garlic paste, ginger paste, all the curry powders. Mix them well. I don't want to burn the curry powders, so first I am adding a little water. Let it cook 5 more minutes. And don't forget to add salt. Approximately 1 teaspoon I used. After 5 minutes, it's time to add the slice of tomatoes. The flavors come out already so amazing. And in this stage, I will add more water. One and a half cup of water I already added. I already peeled off the skin of duck eggs. Now it's time to add the duck eggs into the boiling curry. In this stage, I am going to add 1 teaspoon sugar, green chilies, and the lemon juice. And finally, some black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon I pepper. Dear folks, my cooking is almost done, but I have a secret ingredients for you that make it more tasty and the flavor will be amazing, and this is tomato ketchup. So I am going to add 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup here. And now I am going to switch off the stove, so the cooking is done. It's time to transfer the egg in a serving dish. The smells coming out is so good. I just love it. It's time to add the garnishing, the spring onion and the lemon balm. It's my garden fresh lemon balm and a spring onion. It's very easy to grow, so you can try to grow these herbs in your own garden. So it's time to enjoy, my friend. Try it at home. Hope you will not be disappointed. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching.